Good day, everybody. We decided to come back today to the AA Fantasy to have lunch. Jai has decided to have the burger, the Aussie burger again, and I'm going to try their steak. So we'll find out how their beef steak is. We thought they had T-bone steak, but they discontinued that. I don't know, maybe it's a COVID deal, but now we're going to do the regular steak. Ooh, the burger's already here. Wow. A little tiny dill pickle on top, and comes with fries, a nice burger. And Jai's gonna enjoy that again today. She said she was dreaming about it last night, so we had to do it again today. Trying out the beef steak myself today, see how it tastes. Got mashed potatoes and gravy with broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. So I already helped Jai eat half of hers because her hamburger came before mine did. The gravy got all over it, but it doesn't look too bad. Not too bad, pretty good. While we were waiting for this, I ate half of Jai's hamburger. I like lots of gravy on my mashed potatoes. This is really good. I just got it all over my steak. That's okay, it's going to all go to the same place. Yeah, bottle cap's pretty good. I think you would like this one. Beef. This is good to you. Can you see the juice in it? Yeah. Yeah, I wanted the T-bone steak, but they don't carry it anymore. Well, it's the best steak I've had in Thailand so far. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. It's not stringy and chewy. It's actually good.
Very nice. Nearly finished.
Dave from Got to Live Thailand said he wants to come here. He liked the way the burger looked. Should have asked him today to come. I think he's still coming. Okay, everybody, this is the owner of the AA Fantasy Restaurant. Awesome place. It's our second time to eat here in 3 days. And we had the steak. I had the steak, and Jai had the Aussie burger again. And the total bill was $8.90 for everything. We both had the iced coffees. Very good. So if you like our content, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.